Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Open It Up Tech. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the Tzumi Flexiview hands-free smartphone holder. Tzumi is just a trademark. This is basically like a neck smartphone holder thing. I don't know. So we're going to unbox it, review it. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get more of my amazing, great videos. As well as comment if you've got one of these before. And if so, comment how well you liked it and how well it worked. So it says, universal, uses with all smartphones, 360-degree design, rotation capability, hands-free media viewing, video calls, and more. That's cool. So the side of the box says the same thing with the picture of how it's supposed to work. On the back, it just has a little thing. Feel free to pause and read that if you want. Okay, and then it's got hands-free, so you can use it as a desktop or a counter, phone stand, lightweight of universal rotation. That's the same thing over here. The top, it's just got it right there, and the bottom has got a barcode, which I scribbled out for the sake of security purposes. It does say universal, so we're going to test it with probably the most, I want to say probably uncapable phone that it will work. The iPhone SE. iPhone is a registered trademark of Apple, by the way. So like this is a small phone, a very small phone. Like it's smaller than the box itself. So it says universal. So we'll see if it works with that small phone. So let's open this up. I don't really know. Oh, it looks like it's okay. This is a boring. Give me a second. How do I do this? Oh, here we go. This is why I need this, because it just doesn't like. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm really bad at this. I'm sorry, guys. My phone is in the way. That's why I need something like this to prop it up. There we go. I don't really want to rip the box, but if I have to. It's alrighty. Okay. Let me adjust my phone. Okay. Okay, here we go. Wow. Alright. Kind of surprising how big this actually really is. Oh, that's weird. Look at how they packaged that. That is so weird. They got this thing, and then you got whatever the heck this is. I don't even know. Let me put this over here. So it looks like you're supposed to, I don't know, maybe unfold it. Oh, okay, I see what you did here. So it's like 360 capability, so you can like move it in any way possible, shape or way, So can't see that, but there we go. And then it's got your neck part, and then you unfold it to fit for your phone, like so. Then you just take this. It looks like, I'm guessing, I don't know. Maybe, oh, you unscrew this. Not all the way though, because otherwise it's not gonna work. Okay, stick it on there and screw it back in again, and then it's completely maneuverable. Look at how maneuverable that is. I mean, come on, tell me that's not maneuverable. And that's actually really cool. This is a really cool. Whoever came up with this is smart. They're smart, because this is actually a really cool idea. So this is basically all it is. This isn't a very big review. I'm going to test it out. You're not going to see my face, but let's see how well this works. Wow, this actually works pretty well. I would give this, in terms of, like, how well it works, probably a 9 out of 10. The comfortability, maybe like a 6 out of 10. It's not very comfortable, and it looks really weird. Like it's like shaped weird, and I don't really know what to do about that. So that's why it's not getting a full 10 out of 10 with that. But how it was folded up in the box was kind of disappointing. I was expecting a little bit more of a presentation than it being folded up. I'm trying to adjust it so I can record videos with it. I'm not really sure how you would do that. It's just very adjustable. Apparently, it was $5, so I can't complain. But still, I would have expected something better, But it's alright. Overall, I give the product an 8 out of 10 probably. So yeah, there it is. The Tzumi, registered trademark, Flexiview hands-free smartphone holder. Thanks. Oh, I haven't tested it. I haven't tested it with my iPhone SE. Let's test this. Oh my gosh, it actually works. It's actually too small. Okay, so I wonder if I should get, So it works with my SE. I don't have anything smaller than this. So maybe one of these days, when this show becomes more popular, I can afford to get an old iPhone 4G or like original iPhone and test it out on that, or 3G, something like that. But as of now, this channel isn't big enough. But maybe you guys can help with that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you have one of these, and hit that notification bell. Let's blow this up. Come on, guys, please. It'd be so amazing. And yeah, once again, thank you. Bye.